Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to discuss CCNA version 7 packet tracer activity. Identify MAC and IP addresses. Just before coming to this packet tracer activity, friends, if you are watching our channel first time or if you like to get these type of technical videos in future, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to enable that bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you will get notification message whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you like to see more technical contents or if you like to contact our technical team, you can visit our website. A link I given in the description. Now coming back to this packet tracer activity. Here we will gather PDU information for a local network communication. Also, we will gather PDU information for a remote network communication. And this activity is optimized for viewing PDUs, that means protocol data units. These devices are already configured. You will gather PDU information in simulation mode and answer a series of questions about the data you collect. Coming to our topology, here we can see all the devices. Here all these devices are pre-configured. Here we are going to verify these PDUs, then we will gather some information from this PDU. So first of all, we will gather PDU information for a local network communication. They given a note here. Review the reflection questions in part 3 before proceeding with part 1. It will give you an idea of the type of information you will need to gather. Gather PDU information as a packet travels from 172.16.31.5 to 172.16.31.2. Yes, so here they suggest to go through all the questions. So here we can see those questions, reflection questions, total 20 questions before going to get the information from the PDU. Yes, you can do that before coming to these instructions. Anyway, here we are directly coming to these instructions. Click 172.16.31.5 and open the command prompt. So here we can see that end device 172.16.31.5. Then we have to enter the ping command, ping 172.16.31.2 command. That means we are going to ping to this device 172.16.31.2. We are going to ping from this desktop to this desktop. We will copy this ping and its IP address. Then we will go to 172.16.31.5 PC. It's here. We will click on it. Then we will go to command prompt. For that we have to go to desktop tab, and here we can see command prompt. Here we will paste that command, then press enter. So we get the replies. Now switch to simulation mode and repeat the ping 172.16.31.2 command. A PDU appears next to 172.16.31.5. Now we will switch from real-time mode to simulation mode. Here we can see simulation. We will click on it. Then we will come back to our PC. And here we are going to repeat this ping command again. We can press up arrow so that we will get the previous command. Then we will press enter. And now here we can see a PDU appears next to this PC. We can see it's a type of ICMP. Okay, right. Now click the PDU and note the following information from the OSI model and outbound PDU layer tabs. Yes, we have to collect these informations like destination MAC address, source MAC address, source IP address, destination IP address, and at device. So we will click on this packet and here we can see the details. Destination MAC address, so here we can see the destination MAC address in this layer 2, 000C85CC1DA7. okay, and the source MAC address, so here we can see source MAC address 00D0D311C788, and then source IP address. In layer 3 we can see source IP address 172.16.31.5, the IP address of our source. Then destination IP address, here we can see DEST IP, and at device, here we can see at device 172.16.31.5. even we can collect these informations from this outbound PDU details. Here we can see the informations. Here we can see destination MAC address and source MAC address. Here we can see source IP address and destination IP address. Next is click capture or forward, the right arrow followed by a vertical bar to move the PDU to the next device. Gather the same information from step 1D. Repeat this process until the PDU reaches its destination. Record the PDU information you gathered into a spreadsheet using a format like the table shown below. Here we can see that example spreadsheet format. Here our spreadsheet is ready, and here we can see the option to capture bar forward. We can click on it so that it will go to the next device. We'll click on capture or forward, and here we can see it goes to this switch. Now we will click on this PDU, and here we can see outbound PDU details. Coming to our spreadsheet, we will get the details. Okay, it's here. Here we can see a destination address. We will copy this address. The device at device switch 1. Yes, it's here already. Okay, so this destination, we'll paste it here. So it's already there. I think this table is complete. Anyways, we will verify it, and here we can see source MAC address 00D0D311C788. Then source and destination IPv4 not applicable. Now we will close this. PDU information at device switch 1. Then again we will click capture bar forward. Then we can see it goes to hub. In hub we can see only layer 1. So here in spreadsheet we can see we given all these informations not applicable. And again we will click on capture bar forward. It goes to this PC 172.16.31.2, and here we can see this packet dropped. So we will click on this packet. Right, we will verify in our spreadsheet. So at device 172.16.31.2, it's correct. So we have to get the destination MAC address. So here we can see destination MAC address 00D0D311C788. It's correct. Then source MAC address 000C85CC. It's correct. Then a source IPv4 address 172.16.31.2 and destination IPv4 172.16.31.5. It's correct. And now we are going to gather additional PDU information from other pings. Repeat the process in step 1 and gather the information for the following test. We are going to ping 172.16.31.2 from this PC 172.16.31.3. That means we are going to ping from this PC 172.16.31.3 to this PC 172.16.31.2. Okay, right. So first of all, we will go to real-time mode and we are going to ping from this PC to this PC. We will copy the IP address. It's here. Coming to 31.3, we will go to command prompt. Ping to the destination. Here is the IP address. We get the replies. Next, we will go to simulation mode. Okay, again coming back to our 31.3, and here we are going to ping again to 172.16.31.2. Then we will press enter, and here we can see our PDU generated in this NG device. So we will click on this PDU and we can see the details. PDU information at device 172.16.31.3. We will update that here at device 31.3. Now we will get the destination and the source MAC address. We will go to outbound PDU details, and here we can see destination MAC address. We will copy this address. Okay, coming to our spreadsheet, we will paste here. Then a source MAC address. Here we can see source address. See, now we have to get this source and destination IPv4 address. So here we can see that source IP address. We will copy this address. Source IPv4. Okay, we will copy from here. This is our source IP address, and destination IP address is 31.2. Here we can see that. Now we will click capture or forward. We will close this PDU information at device 31.3. Then we will click capture or forward, and we can see this PDU goes to hub. So we will click on this packet, and here we can see we have only layer 1. Okay, we will go to outbound PDU details, and here we can see the details. Here in this outbound PDU details, so here we can see in Ethernet to source and destination MAC address. Also we can see source and destination IP address in this device hub. At device hub, and we have the same information. Now we will close this PDU information at device hub. Again we will click capture or forward, and here we can see it goes to this switch 1 as well as to this 172.16.31.2. Now we will open this PDU, and here we can see the details. Now we will go to outbound PDU details. Before that, here we can see in outlayers layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3 are enabled. Now we'll go to outbound PDU details, and here we can see the details. PDU information at device 31.2. We will update that. We can copy from here at device. It's here. Okay. Now we have to get destination and source MAC address. Also we have to get source and destination IPv4 address. Okay, here we can see destination MAC address. We will copy this address. Here is destination MAC address, and this is source MAC address. It's here. We'll copy that. Now source IPv4 and destination IPv4. Here is the source IP 172.16.31.2. Okay, here we can see it's just swapped. So now this is the source IPv4 address and this is a destination IPv4 address. Okay, now we will close this PDU information at device 31.2. Okay, so it's just reached destination. Now we will ping 172.16.31.4 from 172.16.31.5. That means we are going to ping from this PC 172.16.31.5 to this PC 172.16.31.4. That can be done. We will copy this IP address. Okay. Now we will go to real time. Coming to 172.16.31.5. Go to desktop, command prompt. Here we are going to ping to this PC. We get the replies. Now we will go to simulation mode. And again we are going to ping to that NG device. Press up arrow so that you will get the previous command. Now press enter. Now here we can see our packet is generated in this NG device. We will click on this PDU information at device 172.16.31.5. Coming to our spreadsheet. At device, it's 31.5. Now we have to get these informations. We will go to outbound PDU details and here we can see destination and the source MAC address. We will copy this destination address. Okay. Source MAC. It's here. It's here. Now we have to get a source and the destination IPv4. I think we did not copy it completely. Okay. Now we will try it. Okay. Coming to the source IP and destination IP address. Source IP is 172.16.31.5. Okay, we can copy this address. This is a source IP address and the destination IPv4 is 31.4. Now we will close this PDU information. Then we will click capture or forward and we can see this PDU goes to this switch. Now we will click on this PDU information at device switch 1. Switch 1. And here we can see layer 1 and layer 2 is enabled and here we can see source and destination MAC address. We will go to outbound PDU details and here we can see the details. Ethernet 2, also we can see IP header. Source IP is 31.5 and destination IP is 31.4. So it's a layer 2 device, so we can see layer 1 and layer 2 is enabled. That means this switch uses MAC address for switching. Okay, so here we can give the same destination and source MAC address, and we can say source IPv4 and destination IPv4 are not applicable. But the source and destination IPv4 address we can see in this outbound PDU details in IP header. Anyways, we will close this PDU information, and again we will click capture or forward, and we will see what's happening. It goes to only to this device to its destination 172.16.31.4. We will click on it, and here we can see layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3 are enabled. Outbound PDU details, and here we can see this IP address just swapped. Also we can see this MAC address also swapped. So coming to our spreadsheet, here this destination MAC becomes source MAC, and this source MAC becomes a destination MAC, and here the source IPv4 becomes a destination IPv4, and this destination IPv4 becomes this source IPv4 in this PC, that is 172.16.31.4 at device. And in this previous information, in this hub actually we given destination MAC, source IPv4 and destination IPv4 which we got from these outbound PDU details. Actually this hub is not using any MAC address or IP address, and this hub just broadcast the message what he received. So here in this hub we can give all these source and destination MAC address and source and destination IPv4 address as not applicable. So better I think we will give that not applicable here also. Okay. Now we will close this PDU information. Now what is next? In part 2 we are going to gather PDU information for a remote network communication. Okay, in order to communicate with the remote networks, a gateway device is necessary. Study the process that takes place to communicate with devices on the remote network. Pay close attention to the MAC addresses used. Yes, in each node the MAC address changes. Anyways, we will see that. Step 1, gather PDU information as a packet travels from 172.16.31.5 to 10.10.10.2. So click 172.16.31.5 and open the command prompt, then enter ping 10.10.10.2 command. First of all, we will go to real time, and we are going to ping from this PC 172.16.31.5 to this remote PC or the remote entity device at 10.10.10.2. Okay, coming to this PC, we already copied that. We will paste here, then press enter, and we are waiting for the replies. One request timed out, and it's working. We can try once more. It's working. Now switch to simulation mode and repeat the ping 10.10.10.2 command. A PDU appears next to 172.16.31.5. Okay, we will try that. We will go to simulation mode. Now coming to this PC, we will press up arrow, then press enter, then we will check this PC. Here we can see the PDU. Then click the PDU and note the following information from the outbound PDU layer tab: destination MAC address, source MAC address, source IP address, destination IP address at device. And in this table below, they shown that sample. Okay, to device, source IP address and destination IP address, right? And here they ask what device has the destination MAC that is shown. So here we can see the destination MAC address, which was 00D0BA8E741A. So coming to our PDU, device 31.5, here we can see that destination MAC address, it's here. Better we will go to outbound PDU details, and here we can see that. Obviously, this destination MAC address belongs to our router, the default gateway MAC address, the MAC address of this interface on this router. Okay. So click capture or forward, the right arrow followed by a vertical bar. Already we have seen that. To move the PDU to the next device, gather the same information from step 1D. Repeat this process until the PDU reaches its destination. Record the PDU information you gathered from pinging 172.16.31.5 to 10.10.10.2 into a spreadsheet using a format like the sample table shown below. Here in this spreadsheet we can see our table. So at device is correct. We will verify. Okay. And here we can see destination MAC address 00D0, it's correct. And here we can see source MAC address, it's here. Okay, and here we can see source IP address and the destination IP address, it's correct. Now we will close this PDU information at device 172.16.31.5, and we will click on capture or forward, and we can see this PDU will go to switch 1. Then we have to get the information from this PDU, and here we can see already it's marked. Again we will click on capture or forward. It goes to the router. Then we have to collect the information from this outbound PDU details. It's here. Okay. Then capture or forward. It goes to switch 0. And here we can see the details. Capture or forward, it goes to access point, and here we can see PDU information. So we have only layer 1, so all these are not applicable. Okay, again we will click capture or forward, and it reaches to its destination, and we can see this access point forward this packet to these PCs, local PCs. Just we will open this PDU at device 10.10.10.2, and here we can see the details in outbound PDU details, and here we can see destination MAC address and source MAC address. This is destination MAC address and this is source MAC address. Coming to the IP address, here we can see source IP address 10.10.10.2, and here we can see destination IP address. Okay. Now here we can see 20 reflection questions and answers for these 20 questions we added in our website. So website link I given in the description. Just visit our website, and if you have any kind of doubt or any suggestions, please contact us. Okay, in this activity we solved CCNA version 7 packet tracer activity, identify MAC and IP addresses. Friends, just stay tuned and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.